Welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing this dumb switch with a smart switch from Lutron. My favorite switch is the Lutron Caseta switches with the dimmer functionality. You can see this is a dimming dumb switch, but when you dim it up and down, the light's actually behind, and you can see it doesn't change at all on the tile here. So it's been acting up quite frequently, sometimes dimming down and staying down, sometimes staying high, and we can't get it to cooperate there. It's dimming a little bit, but not appropriately. So we're going to switch it out for the Lutron Caseta. So I'm going to show you what that looks like and the installation here, as well as in the app, and making everything smart here. I will let you know I'm not an electrician, so if you don't feel comfortable doing any electrical work on your own, then you should talk to a certified electrician. But without further ado, here we go. The first step to the installation is turning off the breaker. So we'll go into the breaker box, and we need breaker 17. So we'll flip that off, and we'll proceed back upstairs and complete the installation. We'll start by taking the cover off here and disconnecting the current switch. So in our situation here, we have the neutral wire connected to the green. So this is just the bare copper wire. The load wire is connected with one of the push-ins on this one. So I have to depress that to pull it out. And then looks like we have two lines here. First one's a depress, and the second one's under the screw. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the Lutron Caseta. You can see the wire caps and screws that come with it. Full instruction book. This thing it's pretty hefty. And then we have the switch itself. So we have the switch with the neutral, and then the line and load on the back here. The line and load wires on the back of the Lutron Caseta actually are interchangeable because it does provide power all the time to the switch to allow for the smart functionality. So it doesn't matter which one you use for which. So just keep the two lines together in our case, load on the other one, and we'll connect the ground wire as well. I'm going to start with the ground wire here, the green one. Wrap that around here and put the wire cap on it until it's snug and holds. And then we'll go ahead and do the load next, wrapping that around here a little bit and capping that. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect the two line together with the other black wire from the Lutron Caseta. Get that on there nice and snug without any of the wire showing. And then we're going to put all this back into the box here. And then I'm going to take the Lutron Caseta style cover, just pop it apart. And then there's two screws to attach, and then this pops back on for a nice clean finish. You can see how nice that looks when it's all finished here. Once everything's installed, the next step is just turning the breaker back on. So now we're going to go ahead and use the app to connect everything here on the smart switch that we just installed. And we'll just select the type of switch it is. So this is an in-wall dimmer switch, fan control, and we can select which one it is, and tells you to press and hold the bottom button for 10 seconds until it blinks quickly. And we do that, and immediately it pops up and lets us know that we can go ahead and select the room for it. So in our instance, we're going to select the master bathroom under the bathroom option and hit next. And we're going to call this, let's call this just a general light for now, I believe. And we can actually name it shower light. Make this easier. And we have some can lights in our shower, so we'll select that option to match the style. You can see in the video it dimmed. That's not the only lights that's exposed here, but you can see it's dimming and turning back on, and it's successfully added. And we can say that we're done adding devices. And now we can go in and find the master bathroom and go into the shower light, and we can turn it off. We can turn it on. We just turn off some of these other lights so you get a better effect. So now the majority of our light's coming from that. So if I turn it off, you can see pretty quickly, or if I turn it back on, or we can dim it down to whatever level we want using the slider or the arrow buttons. And you can see it's really responsive, off and on. At this point, immediately, it's already hooked up to our Google Home, and we can use this in any automations we like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in one of these switches, I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.